What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. There were some issues with my flight last night, so I had to rebook for tonight. So now there may not be any videos tomorrow. I now have a 34-hour total trip time with multiple flights plus layovers, so that's going to be fun. But in the meantime, I thought I'd make some videos here. So let's go over ADA, Cardano. Currently we're sitting at 221. We've seen a little bit of rollover here, a back test of our channel, so we're going to get into that. We're sitting in a market cap of 70.19 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.21 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto earning app. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So in yesterday's video, we talked about 225. We were holding it as support. We did have a breakout target from this bull pennant here, but we weren't able to hold that support and we rolled over. There was a bit of a bearish divergence here. As you can see, we're creating higher highs on the chart. We're creating lower highs on the 1 hour RSI, signifying that the bulls are losing strength here. I don't think there's too much to worry about in my opinion. We've come back down to 30 on the RSI, and when you start trending towards oversold, that's when you see your bounce. If we look at ADA here on the 4 hour time frame, we had just got back above the EMAs as well as had the bullish cross here. So it looks like we may just be seeing a back test of support. If we can bounce here, get back above the EMAs, get back above 225, then we're looking for continuation. If I quickly show you guys Bitcoin here, you can see we had a bit of a fake out. We broke out and then we fell back down into the pattern. As you can see here on the 4 hour time frame, we were creating higher highs while creating lower highs on the RSI. But it has allowed the 4 hour EMA to catch back up to the candles and be used as support. If we were to break 47,374 for Bitcoin, I would target 46625, the support zone that I've been going over here. There isn't much support if that's broken till about 44.9, but I don't think that's a likely scenario here. If we take our Fibonacci here for Bitcoin, swing high down to swing low, you can see here we're currently holding support of the golden ratio. So as long as we can hold the EMAs here, if we hold 47.3, we hold the golden ratio, we're looking for continuation. But if we do break below it and we lose 46.6, wouldn't be a very strong sign in my opinion. I don't think it's the likely scenario, but of course it is a possibility, guys. We are having our bearish divergence, which can signify that the bulls are losing strength here. But I think what a higher probability is we consolidate in this support zone, create a strong level of support before seeing continuation. But if this support level is broken, guys, do target 44.9K. And technically, we're still in this bull pennant pattern, and your target, if it breaks out once again, is up here at 53K. For Bitcoin. So we'll finish off the video here with ADA. So I just want to quickly pop into the daily time frame. So you can see here we did come up and get rejected by the EMAs. So we would want to see a bounce from this back test of support. And if we can get back above 225, we still have this double bottom at play here, and the target is up here at 286. Now, if we were to see further sell-off, if Bitcoin were to lose those levels of support, do target that strong level back down at $2.05 for ADA. But as of right now, we've broken out of our channel. We're seeing a back test of support. So if we can see a bounce here, we get back above the EMAs, then we're looking strong for continuation. And just keep an eye on that strong level of support at 205. All right, guys, that's it for ADA. I trade ADA on Bybit. Highly recommend it, guys. You get $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours, as well as up to $600 in bonuses. You can check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.